Hello friends, Running Kimono here. We're talking about Bath & Body Works semi-annual sale that will begin on December the 26th. In this video, it's a very quick one. We are just going to look at some tips and tricks and how to have the most amount of success over there. And if you love everything cute in Bath & Body Works, this is definitely a video for you. So this sale happens twice a year, in the summer and the winter, and depending what type of candle lover you are, or they sell a lot more than candles over there, like lotions, potions, hand soaps, and what have you. Depending what you like, it's either the summer florally stuff or the nice Christmas stuff, and I am just such a fan of their winter line. I think it's just my favorite. Okay, so the first part is the date. It typically starts on the 26th. It's always the 26th, the day after Christmas. Typically on Christmas Day, they'll send out an email or something in the app saying, hey, semi-annual sale is starting on the 26th. And then it goes right for 3 weeks. And then it typically ends the third week of January, which is slotted the 15th, but that's an estimate date. And again, it happens twice a year, and it's up to 75% off of merchandise, which is fantastic. What I'm typically looking for is items to gift for next Christmas, such as these very expensive candle holders that are so adorable. I think anybody would love to get that. So imagine getting it at 75% off. Typically, the first 3 days too of semi-annual sale, you can find the deepest savings. From my 10 plus years of experience, that's what I've discovered. And another fabulous part of a semi-annual sale are the bins, which are these big red bins. They put them at the front and 75% off of whatever in there. And sometimes you have to do a little bit of a digging, especially if you live in the Midwest, close to Ohio, where they have the big plant. Sometimes you can find some gems inside of these bins that end up at the outlets. And just to give you a sneak peek, this was last year's pricing. So say we're looking at a candle at $24.50, it'll be $6.13. I mean, everybody's going to get a candle next Christmas, or if you want to get a bunch of candles and then gift them throughout the year, you would have quite a bit for $6.13. And at the outlets also, they do this very genius thing that I love, where they'll have like a $1 section, a $2 section, a $3 section. So if your math is not mathing very good, you just go there and get whatever you want for $1, and they always deliver, especially at the front of the cash register too. You might be surprised what you find there. 75% off of these hand soaps with a 20% off coupon or a 10 off 40. I usually get them for like $1.50 or less. And it's typically scents that didn't do very well in certain stores. They have like the whole army of it. And really pay attention when you're in this store. Look high and low, like that bag, this one. You throw in a couple of items for Christmas, that looks like you put a huge amount of effort, because it's a Bath & Body Works bag with the gingham like high. It's just so adorable. Keep your eyes peeled during this event. And I often love when they have like the $3 candles. And even though it might be off season, it doesn't matter. You can always go back to the store and exchange it later for a different scent. They still offer that. And then the 3 wicks. And when you can get these for $6, it's fantastic. And sometimes at the cash register, they have hand sanitizer and other candles or other merchandise even cheaper than that. That's stuff that they really want to do a quick sale on. And different seasons, such as Easter, Halloween, some of that stuff, you'll find the deepest savings. As this is a couponing channel, I don't even like to open up my wallet when I'm at Bath & Body Works. So what I do is I save up my dollars and cents with the IBOTTA app. You basically go to any store, pharmacy, whatever, collect dollars and cents through different items that you're buying with the IBOTTA app. And then once you hit $20, you can get a Bath & Body Works gift card. So I save a couple of them in December so I can go crazy in the store. If you have not signed up for this app, today is the day. Check out the link in the notes. When you use my referral link, you're given an extra $5 when you submit your first qualifying receipt, that rebate for that. So sign up today. It's a terrific app. Also, you might be getting these home mailers. This is a 10 off 40, which is very typical for semi-annual sale. And then if you are a member of the My Bath & Body Works app, also they typically mirror this 10 off of 40. I'm really hoping all of us get it, because I know a lot of us got nothing for Candle Day, which I was not happy about, but I still participated in that one because I love their candles. And then towards the front of the store near the cash register, they sometimes leave extra coupons. People might just go in there for the free item, so they leave all the rest of their coupons, and then you might want to dive through that and see what they have. Where you will find your biggest savings is at an outlet. If your area has an outlet mall, check if they have a Bath and Body Works, and if they might, you might get the biggest savings there. I made a dedicated video comparing stores to outlets. I will link it at the very end if you wish to watch it, but that's where I'm headed because $50 is probably, even more. You can get 4 times the amount of merchandise for a $50 IBOTTA gift card. So I'm definitely heading out to one of those to save the most amount of money. So I have stuff to gift throughout the year because I love to gift Bath and Body Works. That's it for this video, guys. In the comments down below, let me know what you're in search of this semi-annual sale and are you excited for it? We will catch you in the next one. Bye.